Sneakers inspired by food have long captured the imagination of collectors, from Jordan Brand's diner-inspired collections to the iconic chunky Dunky Nike SB Dunk. Now, Adidas is serving its own flavorful twist with the Campus OO's Burger Bun. Part of a broader culinary-themed series set to drop this summer, the Burger Bun edition features a soft and suede upper designed to resemble a hamburger bun, complete with white speckles that mimic sesame seeds. Rich chocolate brown three stripes on the sides add contrast and depth, while cocoa-toned insoles may hint at a possible milkshake-themed counterpart. Although Adidas has yet to unveil the full lineup, this tasty drop appears to be just the appetizer. More campus-based colorways inspired by popular food items are expected to follow. The Adidas Campus OO's Burger Bun is slated to launch later this summer via adidas.com.